Hi, this is Vivian Human MRI, and welcome to another video tip. Now, what I wanted to share with you today is all about the right way to manifest exactly what you want. See, in the spiritual world, there is no obstacle as far as time, space, reality, because everything happens like instantly. So I want to explain to you the mechanics a little bit of how to use the spiritual world to make your physical world a lot easier and to manifest what you want when you want it. So when a thought comes, it enters the 9th chakra and it starts to go through your head, and so you think about it, you start to really think about it, you kind of see what's happening, you start to talk about it to your friends. So it starts to go, energy goes all the way, and you really start loving this idea. It goes to your heart. Now, the trouble that I normally see in people is when it starts to go down to their 3rd, 2nd, and 1st chakra. 3rd is about power, 2nd is about your emotions, and 1st is about root or money issues. If someone has a block somewhere on the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st chakra, what happens is the manifestation gets stalled. Therefore, you don't get what you want, even if your idea is so great. So, if you would like to clear those energies so that you can actually think of an idea and manifest it and bring the right people to you so that everything will translate into cash and profit for you, then click the link below and find out more how we can help you.